It happened.
Episode 4. That's the lady behind the voice that you guys are seeing. Yes.
I just woke up.
What time is it?
Almost 4 o'clock on Sunday afternoon.
See? Yeah, we're still on the east side of Fort Worth, like we were in the backyard. We're just in the house today. Yeah. That's about the time we wake up. 4:30. You're on a Sunday. Actually, they put Jesus to rest. Actually, on when did he die?
Friday.
On a Friday.
It's called Good Friday.
And then he rose on
3 days later. Sunday.
See, Jesus had to sleep for 3 days.
Yep.
See, and if Jesus can sleep for 3 days, we should be able to sleep a couple of hours, man. Shoot.
That day, the dog went over there and sat on the.
Know what's a good question though?
What?
A great question is, who made the Sabbath?
God, on the Sabbath day, he rested.
Rested how though?
He quit working. He quit. Don't do that. He quit making things like air and water and fish and animals and
People.
So he just took the day off?
Yeah, but look at what he did instead of 6 days.
That was a hard 6 one.
Put that down.
This is episode 4. Yeah. See, they have to know everybody that's in my life. So you have to be seen. And that was a great answer. Also.
It was the right answer.
And it was a great answer. Yeah, it was great.
I have an appointment on my birthday with this neurosurgeon.
I thought we was going to cancel that.
I thought we were going to reschedule it.
Yeah, something to that effect. Right?
You know, they charged me 2 days for no shows.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Who are these people? The mob?
Yeah.
But it was their mistake on the rescheduling, wasn't it?
Well, I'm only paying one of them. If I pay either one.
All you gotta do is just call that office and say, hey, the other ones that messed up. See, I can pay this. Or either eat it.
If Kim Kardashian and them can get rich doing it, I can. This is all they do.
Yeah.
What's so important about their lives? I don't get that. I really don't.
Kardashians.
They're not famous for anything. They're famous just to be famous.
They're rich.
Yeah, because Kim made a sex tape. And then the whole family got rich. But they weren't rich. They were wealthy, but they weren't rich. No, wealthy is different from rich. They had money, but they weren't rich. Yeah, not at all.
Well, their stepfather is the...
What, Jenner?
Yeah.
Jenner don't know he alive half the time. Do it. Ooh. You see that? You see, sometimes you got to be a good... Where you going, son? Where you going, son? Y'all, that's precious, if y'all ever want to know that. Yeah.
Wrong name for a dog.
I mean, terrible. I'm going to let you guys meet this dog. She has a name Precious. And do you know what this dog is? This dog name need to be Beelzebub.
No, she is precious.
I said her name need to be Beelzebub.
But her name is Precious, and she is precious.
Oh, wait, y'all, that's Precious.
Yeah.
She being good right now. She know the camera on her. She doing, yeah, she want to be good. Precious, you lucky, son. If I could capture you in your element, if I could do that.
And you should have had her 5 seconds ago.
That's Wilson Stone. Right there. Baby, speak some knowledge like Wilson.
Well, the kookaburra sits on.
That's how Wilson would do. Wilson know everything.
The old gum tree.
Yeah.
Kookaburra. As he.
But Wilson.
Kookaburra sits on the old gum tree. And Mary's never kissed the tree. Kookaburra alive. Kookaburra ring.
To my loyal fans, I would sing along,
Don't know the
but
song.
I don't know what the bloody hell they talking about.
Kookaburra bird in Australia.
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yep.
The hell is Precious doing? Precious, quit looking at yourself, son. You're on camera.
Oh, Lord.
What was that?
Shaking the fleas around.
Pretty much.
I need a paper clip. I have one right in front of me, I know.
Is it on your thing?
On my roller,
Mm-hmm.
my roller pin.
Okay. Well.
What's that?
Hmm? Oh no, we're on. We're on for a little bit. Yeah, I gotta. Cause it's like a day in the life of Jeremy, from Jeremy's point of view. So, baby, that was a good arm move you just did. It's something Wilson would have done. Hear me?
I think that little one.
You take what?
That little one. Thank you.
You're welcome. Dog it. Okay.
Okay, I'm coming.
Ow. Go on. I'm out.
Do 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 do.
Would you quit?
Do 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 do.
Stop. Go one.
Okay, it's done. All right, how'd I stop it?
Hit the button again.